Welcome back, boys and girls. We are going to be taking a look at word problems, time intervals, and this is Unit 11, Lesson 6. Let's get started. Our objective today, I will solve word problems involving time intervals. So let's take a look at our first problem. And remember, boys and girls, the three strategies that we can use to solve interval problems are we can use the clock and either jump forward or jump backwards. We can use a number line, or we can use addition and subtraction. So let's look at the first one. Joshua started basketball practice at 1:05. He practiced for 45 minutes. What time did he finish practicing? So we're going to put his starting time in at 1:05. The amount of time that he practiced for was 45 minutes. So his ending time was 1:05 plus 45 minutes, which will give us 150. So we added the minutes together, 05 and 45, and it gave us 50. So the ending time, 150. Number 2, Jenny's dance team started practice at 2:10. They ended practice at 3:54. How long was their practice? So let's begin by putting in the ending time. So the ending time here is 3:54, and we're going to subtract the starting time, which is 2:10, from that ending time. So when we do our subtraction, we find that the time interval was 1 hour 44 minutes. So that's how long the dance team practiced for, 1 hour and 44 minutes. Now here are the student guided practice problems which are found in your math book. Let's read. Mrs. Gregg's class went to the library at 11:20. They checked out books for 33 minutes. What time did they finish checking out their books? Well, we're going to put the starting time, which is 11:20. Then we're going to look at the amount of time that they were checking books out. And the problem tells us they were checking books out for 33 minutes. So in order for us to find how long or what time they spent or what time they left the library, we're going to add 11:20 plus 33, and the ending time is 11:53. And here we added the 20 plus the 33, and that gave us 53. Okay, let's look at our last problem. Mr. Lee's class went to music from 12:10 to 1:47. How long was their music class? Okay, so boys and girls, in this problem, it doesn't clearly tell us, oh, they left the music class at 1:47. They use this dash or hyphen here to tell us that that was a duration. So between 12:10 and 1:47, they were in music class. But we can solve it. Let's try solving this problem with subtraction, okay? But we'll solve it try solving it the same way. We'll put in the ending time, which is 1:47, and we'll put in the starting time, which is 12:10. Now, in this case, boys and girls, it is difficult to do the subtraction. Okay, it's not going to work doing it this way, and I can quickly show you why. So here we have 1:47 And underneath, we have 12, 10. Okay, so even if we do the minutes, which would work, when we get to the hours, you know that we cannot subtract a smaller number from a larger number. I'm sorry, a larger number from a smaller number. So that would not work here. So we cannot use the subtraction method for this case, okay? So what I am going to do to solve this problem is by using the clock, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and jump. So our starting time is 12:10, and we're going to end at 1:47. So let's begin. We have 12:10, 5, 12:15. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So now, boys and girls, by the time we get to 50, we are now at 1 o'clock. Let's keep going. 50, 55, 60, which is an hour, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97. So our answer is going to be 97 minutes. Get back here. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry if you hear the dogs barking outside. So our time, like I said, is going to be 97 minutes for this problem. I'm trying to bring the, oh, here we go. Okay. So like I said, the time interval for this problem is 97 minutes. And that concludes our lesson for today. As you go through the problems, boys and girls, again, you're going to have to decide which strategy best suits that problem. Okay? So that is it for this lesson, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care.